Right, so this is another one of my Canvas tutorials from the operations manual. One of the things you might have to do in Canvas is some of the modules may be self-guided. Especially if we move to remote campus learning, self-guided modules will become the norm for many of my courses. And essentially what this means is that in order to complete a unit of study, like say World War II or westward expansion, you have to progress through the modules. When this kind of thing comes up, essentially there are several different ways to advance through the modules. Um, some things are very straightforward, like assignments. There's going to be nothing different. When you complete an assignment, you turn it in. It's the same instructions detailed in other tutorials. Same goes for quizzes. However, in some cases, you may have activities like, what's a good example? Sometimes you might have a page that requires you to mark up at the top, mark as done to continue. And so essentially what this does is it requires you to go onto the page, you go through the material. When you've done with that, you want to advance to the next activity, or if you're at a good stopping point and you just want to call it a day, you just need to make sure that you click mark as done. And the idea behind this is then it would unlock the next activity. And so in some cases, you may be thinking, oh, I have the assignment checklist, and it says I don't have everything done, but I haven't unlocked everything. You might have to go back through and click Mark as Done on pages if they have that feature. Not all activities will feature this, but I just want to make sure that you're aware of this feature if in the event the unit requires it. In any case, I hope this helps, and until later.